This is Product Critique, and today I'm introducing what I believe is the best 8-inch under-seat subwoofer. Though technically it's a 10-inch 1200-watt slim under-seat powered car subwoofer from Znclces. It slips discreetly under your car or truck seat, saving space while transforming your audio with deep, powerful bass. The cast aluminum shell ensures excellent heat dissipation, reportedly 3 times more effective than traditional iron, which keeps the subwoofer cool during long drives. You'll love how effortlessly you can control the bass. The included remote gives you gain, bass boost, and crossover controls so you can dial in the perfect low end without touching your radio. And when your car starts, the subwoofer lights up with vibrant, colorful LED ambient lighting, adding a cool, tech-savvy vibe inside your vehicle. It supports both high-level and low-level inputs, plus features automatic turn-on, adjustable input sensitivity, and multiple safety protections like thermal, short circuit, and overload protection, along with a green power and red protection LED indicator. Under the hood, this under-seat subwoofer packs 1200 watts peak power, handles 220 watts RMS, delivers a frequency response from 20 Hz up to 150 Hz. Maintains a signal-to-noise ratio above 90 decibels, and keeps total harmonic distortion under 0.4%. Dimensions are roughly 15.3 inches long, 12.6 inches wide, and just 4.8 inches thick, slim enough for tight spaces. Installation is straightforward. The package includes wiring components like high, low-level converters, RCA or auxiliary cables, a USB option, and an 8-gauge amp wiring kit. On top of that, Znclces backs the product with an 8-month replacement warranty and promises professional customer support, replying to emails within 24 hours. In short, this subwoofer transforms your driving audio with room-saving design, serious bass, intuitive control, sleek lighting, and dependable performance. It's compact but powerful, designed for everyday users who want a bass boost without bulky gear. That's why I confidently call it the best 8-inch under-seat subwoofer, even if it stretches to 10 inches technically. Stay tuned for my upcoming installation footage and sound test comparison. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll catch you in the next deep bass drive review.